Hey, Kuda Biza here, and I'm really excited for this video because in this video I'm going to be sharing a side hustle that I took that enabled me to make $300 in about 45 minutes. And I've been able to use this side hustle to also generate hundreds and hundreds of dollars using this side hustle. Now, what makes me super excited about this side hustle is that anyone can do it. All you really need is two things. Number one, you need to answer a set of questions. And number two, obviously you need an internet connection. And then obviously if you qualify, you'll be able to then pick as many side hustles that you can pick and make hundreds of dollars, every single week. So it could be good if you're looking for some side cash. But the cool thing that I love is that it's super easy. And all you just really need to do is just have a framework and some time where you can really look into some of these opportunities, and then you'll be good to go. Now, before I dive into the video, I need to make sure that you guys like, share, and comment on this YouTube video. So it would be really great if you could subscribe to this channel, so that as I'm sharing more content that helps you guys will be able to get it. And also, if you have any questions about the side hustles that I'm going to share or other opportunities that I'm going to be sharing on this channel, make sure you drop in the comments if you like it, if you have questions, or if you have any comments. I read as many as I can, and I'll try to reply and either create content or reply on the specific comment. Now, without any further ado, let's dive into this side hustle that enabled me to make over $300 in 45 minutes. Okay, guys, so I'm going to walk you through how to use this platform called Respondit to make money as a side hustle. So I'm going to log into the platform. So if you haven't, if you don't have an account, you just come here and click create an account. And then once you create an account, you can then just log in. So I'm just going to log in, and I log in with my LinkedIn, and then I will show you how to do it. All right. So once you're on the back end, you'll be able to see all the different projects that they need help for. So as you can see right now, they have 217 projects, and every single day you can put in about 10 screeners for 10 projects, right? And what is a screener? A screener is this, right? So video shoot follow-up. So this was posted 6 days ago, and for 60 minutes, you'll be paid $150 if you qualify. So if you just click here, you can literally start the screener, right? So we're just going to do the screener. So I'm just going to block that. Were you given, so nope. And please select a code that was provided for you. So other, I did not get a code. So I'm just going to put NA and then click submit. And my screener has been submitted. So anyway, I will hear from them if I qualify for this. If not, that's fine. And then let's look for others. So in-home interviews, seeking people who shop bath and body products. I mean, we all take a shower, right? And they're just basically looking for people who are interested. They're interested in speaking with people who take baths and showers or use, these, so it's $125 for 60 minutes. And I mean, all of us, we should be taking showers, right? So let me start the screener for this one. What product are you responsible for shopping? So I buy groceries and personal care. I don't really buy, I also buy appliances. So next, you mentioned that you're responsible for personal care. So I do this, do this, do this. So all three, boom. When I purchase the product, are you purchasing for yourself? Yeah. So you pick one that works well for you. So I love self-care moments. So yep. And then I also so I purchase 1 or 2 items every now and then. Great. Let me actually do this because I've never bought a spa basket. So these are the 2 that I'll go for. What's important to you when you're considering the purchase of this? I think natural elements, brand preference, good deal. For me, those are kind of like the 3 things I look for. And then think about spa products that you purchase. which have I purchased over the last 12 months? Well, not for myself, but I've bought Victoria's Secrets for my wife. Ritual. I love this one. Happy Nuts. The Honest Company, definitely have bought that. So those are the three. And which of these brands have you purchased for yourself in the last, So anyway, you fill it out. So you kind of like get the gist, right? So I'm just going to put the Honest Company. How often do you take a shower? I take a shower every single day. Boom. That's kind of like where I'm at. I like for it to make me feel fresh. Right? I like that fresh feeling. So how much? Boom. So they ask about your household income. Ask about your age. This is my age range. Do you know anyone who works in the industries below? Not really. So NA. Yes, I'm okay with them touring my house. I'm confident. I can, So obviously these dates have passed. So I'm just gonna pick a window, and then I'm just gonna say Midtown. Boom, that's done. So what I also want to show you guys is I want to show you guys the back end. So if you come into my projects, right? So you can see this is the one that I just applied for, I submitted, and we just did the video shoot one. So you can see I've submitted quite a bunch. But what ends up happening is that when you get selected, you see you get paid, and also you get paid. So I've put in like 39 requests and I've gotten 3. One gig paid me 300, another one paid me 200, and another one paid me I think 250. So the long and short here, guys, is that you can definitely make money. It doesn't take a lot of time for you to put in a request, as you saw. It literally took me like 3 minutes to kind of like do the screener, and then you sit and wait. And there's so many different opportunities here. Some from $10. I'm not going to do this, but for some people it might work. And then they have one for 150. I've seen some as much as 700. So you just need to, 350. So you just need to really just take some time and sit down and look into it. And some of these are low and it might not work for you, but some of them work, and you never know. You might just get selected. So good luck, and hopefully you can add this to your arsenal of side hustles. If you get picked for this one for $350 and it's only an hour for your time, it could be a really nice dinner for you and your family. So definitely worth looking into. So I hope this side hustle helps. Take a look into the description because I have more links for other things that might help you make more money. So have a good day, guys, and talk to you soon.